Hello and welcome to Engineering at Duke Sixth Form. This course is open to anybody, so if you weren't part of the GCSE engineering cohort, let me tell you that engineering is all about using our scientific and mathematical skills and our problem solving ability to solve the world's problems and create interesting things. Now on this course there's 4 mandatory modules including maths and science. Those modules heavily lean back into GCSE, and so it should be accessible to most people, and it helps us develop our skills for the later modules, which are principles of mechanical engineering and principles of electrical and electronic engineering, which take those maths and science skills and show how they are used in the wider world to give us all of the things that we use and rely on every day. There's 2 additional modules, engineering in the environment, which connects very well with employers from around this region, and material science, which teaches us about how we choose, select and design the components which go into making the things which we use. Now, there's 2 different ways that the course is assessed. So the 4 main units are assessed through examination, so you'll do the maths and science exams in year 12 and the mechanical engineering and the electronic engineering exams in year 13. There's also 2 bits of coursework, one for engineering the environment and one for the materials science. So 2/3 of the course will be made up by the exams. Just like in GCSE, you'll learn the content throughout the years, you'll sit the exams, and depending on how well you've understood it, you'll get the marks. The remaining third of the assessment is down to the coursework. That involves completing set criteria that the exam board have used every year, very well understood, and we will support you the best that we can so that you can complete the research and the tasks that are necessary to get the grades that are right for you. You may be wondering, how can engineering benefit me in the long term? What can I look forward to in terms of careers? Well, engineering is in itself a very lucrative and very interesting career path, and there's lots of different ways to go about it. So upon completing your A-levels in engineering, you could go on to college to do a higher national certificate or a higher national diploma. You could go on to do an apprenticeship or a graduate apprenticeship, or indeed you could move on to study at university so that you could get a graduate career in engineering following 3-4 years worth of additional schooling. In addition to that, the fact that you've studied engineering shows employers that you've got exceptionally good problem solving skills, math skills and science skills, so it is looked for employers for all sorts of different careers, not just the engineering career path. And I'll just finish with one of my favourite engineering quotes here. So scientists investigate that which already is, engineers create that which has never been. And I think that's probably got to be the main lure for this course, is if you're interested in doing things that are new, if you're interested in solving problems or making the world more interesting, then engineering is definitely the right place for you. If you do have any more questions, please find me in my room science 8 up on the top floor, or you can email me through my email that's on the screen now. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have or show you any of the stuff that we've done in prior years. Thank you for your time.